Hi, welcome. Now I'll be explaining you how the system secure file storage on cloud using hybrid cryptography works. Nowadays, cloud computing is used in many areas like industry, military, colleges, etc. to store huge amount of data. We can retrieve data from cloud on request of user, but security of files stored on cloud server is very less. To provide the solution to these issues, there are multiple ways. Cryptography and steganography techniques are more popular nowadays for data security. Use of a single algorithm is not effective for high level of security to data in cloud computing. So using multiple layers of algorithm is very problematic as it increases the security but also increases the time for uploading and downloading. So in this project, we have introduced new security mechanism using symmetric key cryptography algorithm and steganography. Here we will be using AES, DES and RC encryption techniques to encrypt a single file by dividing the file into 3 separate files and then encrypting them. Along with it, we'll also be using LSB technique to enhance security and file sharing. So as we are storing huge amount of data nowadays on cloud, there are many issues, security issues that we face. So in order to avoid this, we have introduced this system which will be using AES, DES and RC2 algorithms to provide security to the data. So now I'll be explaining you the encryption process. Okay. Consider the plain text message is "Hi, welcome to Newborn." So what the system will do is it will first divide this message into 3 separate messages and will store it in 3 separate files. Okay. And then one by one all the 3 files will be encrypted using AES, DES and RC2. The first message, that is "Hi well," will be encrypted using AES and the result as you can see. Second message will be encrypted using DES and the third message will be encrypted using RC2. So we will be using key to encrypt all the 3 messages, okay? Messages in 3 separate files. It's very necessary to also secure the key. So in this system, what we'll do is we will store the key using image steganography process. Okay, we'll be using your LSB, that is least significant bit image steganography technique to secure the key. We'll be sending this key along with the image to the user via email. So in this way, the key will be secured using image steganography technique and the message will be secured using the encryption techniques AES, DES and RC2. Now I'll be explaining you the decryption process. As soon as the user receives the key via mail, the key will be embedded in the image using image steganography technique LSB. Okay, so the receiver will receive this key, will extract the key from the image using LSB technique, and using this key the user will decrypt the files, the 3 files that the receiver has, okay, using AES, DES and RC2. So here you can see after decryption the original message the receiver can view it, and after the messages are decrypted in all the 3 files, the receiver will receive a single file and all these messages will be again combined, okay, to get the original message. So in this way the reverse process is applied in order to get the original message back. Okay, so the system is very useful as it combines the 3 encryption technique AES, DES and RC2, and it first divides the files and then encrypts it, and in the decryption process it again combines the messages in the files and decrypts it in order to get the original message, and also it combines the image steganography method in order to secure the key. Okay, so this is very safe system as it provides a high level of security to the data that is stored on cloud.